The fastest way to wrap text around an image in Affinity Publisher. There are mainly two ways you can wrap text around an image in an Affinity Publisher. Here I am going to use the pen tool method. Open the image in the Affinity Publisher that you want to wrap text around. Select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left. Now draw a path where you want the text to follow around the image. The path should outline the shape you desire. Click on the path and start typing your text. The text will now only follow the path you created. And that's it. You've successfully wrapped text around an image in Affinity Publisher. I hope you find this short video useful. Thanks for watching.